Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if you're coming across an error message when attempting to open up a PDF file in the Microsoft Edge web browser. This says that it couldn't open the PDF. Something's keeping this PDF from opening. So this should probably be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So I'd recommend starting off by opening up the search menu and search for Control Panel. Best match should come back with Control Panel, so go ahead and open that up. And then set your view by over on the right. You want to select Category View, and then you want to select Programs over here on the left side. Where it says Default Programs, go ahead and left click on that. And then select Associate a file type or protocol with a program. And now where it says Enter a file type, type in PDF, and then select that. And you want to go ahead and click inside whatever shows up, and select Switch Anyway, and then you want to select Microsoft Edge or a different PDF reader if you would prefer, and then you would select OK to save that change. And that's pretty much it. That's the biggest thing there, guys. Something else we can try here as well, if you were to close out of there and open up Microsoft Edge and open up the menu icon at the top right, and then go down and select Settings. In the Search Settings field, type in PDF Documents and search for it. So on the right side, you want to scroll down, and where it says PDF Documents, left click on that. And you want to make sure it says PDF View Settings, make sure that's toggled in the on position. And then always download PDF files, that should just be turned off. And that should be about it. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.